Hello guys, so today I will make something easy, very easy for dinner for Bella. I have turkey breast, but you can use even the chicken one, and some cheese. So we'll do something very easy for them. I think everyone can make it at home. It's super easy and only two ingredients, so chicken or turkey breast and cheese, mozzarella or whatever you like, but without salt or very less salty, okay, because it's not safe for dogs. Anyway, let's do it. So you need to put the cheese on the middle and roll, and then you can put them on the oven to bake for 20, 25, 30 minutes at 200 degrees. Anyway, you need to check them because the oven can be different, and mine is a bit old, but if yours is brand new, maybe the bake is different process. So just keep an eye, yeah? I hope it's a good idea for you guys. It's very easy and you can make it straight away. So our dinner is ready, very easy and very nice. So bon appetit, lovely doggies.